Come on, Troy. Let's go, Troy. Put him up. Do it again. Good shots, Troy. Come on. Come on. Come here. Hey, that's good. But you got to set it up. You got to fake something else, then set up the head number. You can't just throw it when he's way behind you like that. You got lucky, all right? You got to set it up better, okay? Just get a bear hug on him and throw him. If he's going to stand up like that, get that bear hug, get your arms around his chest, and just pick him up off his feet, just barely, and then flip over, all right? Straight over your side, and then land all your weight on him, all right? Pummel! You got to pummel, Troy! You got to pummel! Hey, you can't just step out of bounds. It's not folk style. Come on. Get underhooks. Good job, Troy.